Penis enlargement and enhancement techniques, what really works? There is a great deal of information, and a great deal of misinformation, on the internet these days about penis enhancement products. With such a proliferation of half-truths and outright scams, it's tough to know what the real truth is when it comes to male enhancement. Well, here's the plain truth: there are very few penis enlargement techniques that actually work. Let's start by looking at the different techniques available to you. Male enhancement technique number 1: extension devices. Penis extension devices are widely available online. Some of them are pretty funny looking. Some of them cost a fortune. But do they actually work? Well, they can, actually. If you are willing to put in the time, effort, and dedication, and using it properly to make sure you don't injure yourself. Fact is, you won't see any change at all unless you use the device every day, or multiple times per day, for at least a few weeks. Male enhancement technique number 2: penis enlargement exercises. Exercises can definitely help to enlarge your penis, perhaps even a little better than extender devices. That's because you have greater control and more options when you are doing your exercises manually. Again, you need to follow a well-respected, proven program to ensure that your male enhancement exercise program works, and to ensure that you don't injure yourself. Ouch. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. You'll need to start off slow, then build your way up to a program that has a real impact on your length and girth. The most successful penis enlargement exercise participants will keep at it for many months to see impressive results. Male enhancement technique number 3: penis enlargement pills. The best thing about penis enlargement pills is that you can get results fast. You don't need expensive, cumbersome equipment, and best of all, you don't need to invest hours and hours of your precious time doing exercises for weeks on end. Of course, there is a drawback to this method. The reality is, most male enhancement pills out there simply don't work. A number of fly-by-night manufacturers have produced pills that will do literally nothing for the length or girth of your penis. When you're looking for a penis enlargement pill that will give you the results you desire, look for a pill that includes proven ingredients, and that is doctor-endorsed, with a strong refund policy. That is, if it doesn't work, you can just return it. That's how you'll know you're dealing with a reputable company and a legitimate product. VigRx Plus, for example, is a very well-known name in this industry. Its impressive list of proven medicinal ingredients is second to none, including the following powerful herbs. Bioperine, clinically proven to increase herbal supplement absorption rates. Puncture vine, used in Europe for thousands of years as a method to treat sexual dysfunction and increase libido. Epimedium leaf extract, also known as horny goat weed, has been used for thousands of years as a libido enhancer. Ginkgo leaf, Ginkgo biloba, provides nutritional support for mental alertness, circulatory and blood vessel health. Asian red ginseng, traditionally used to deliver extra energy, as a sexual stimulant and aphrodisiac. Mira palma bark, used to restore sexual virility and to increase sexual desire and potency in men. Catuaba bark extract, the most famous of all the Brazilian aphrodisiac plants. Hawthorn berry, rich in bioflavonoids, which relax and dilate the arteries, also contains powerful antioxidants that help increase blood flow and oxygen to the heart and other areas of the body. This doctor-approved formula has a proven track record and a great refund policy. If you're not completely satisfied after trying VigRx Plus for 67 days, you don't pay a penny. Not bad, huh? A solution like VigRx Plus is an easy, discreet way to achieve the male enhancement results you're looking for, without spending countless hours doing exercises manually or with cumbersome equipment. Click the link in the description below to visit their website for complete information and your 67